Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to disable calls on Messenger. What you need to do, first just go to Messenger app and then just you click in your profile icon in the top right. After that, just scroll down until you see here preferences, then just click notifications and sounds. And then you see here the first one, don't disturb, just turn it on. After that, you select the time for how long you want it, for 15 minutes, for 1 hour, for 8 hours, for 24 hours, or until 8 a.m. Okay, let me select for 15 minutes. Okay, it's done now. This is what you need to do if you want to disable calls on Messenger. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.